about
direct and indirect speech.
Okay, check it out.
Direct speech, saying exactly what someone said. When we use direct speech in writing, we place the word spoken between question marks. Example, she says, "What time will you be home?" Indirect speech. Indirect or reported speech is usually used to talk about the past, so we normally change the tense of the words spoken. We use reporting verbs like say, tell, ask, and we may use the word that to introduce the report words. Inverted commas are not used. Example, direct speech. She said, "I saw him." Indirect speech. She said that she had seen him. We have a list of the tenses of how the tenses change from direct speech to indirect speech. And we have first, as you can see, the present simple changes to past simple. Example, she eats lunch in present simple and she ate lunch in past simple. Eat in present simple changes to ate in past simple. Then we have the present continuous change into the past continuous. Example, she is singing in present continuous. Change into the past continuous, she was singing. Is in present continuous and was in past continuous. The present perfect change into the past perfect. Example, he have had a shower in present perfect. Change into the past perfect. He had had a shower in past perfect. Have in present perfect and had in past perfect. The present simple changes into the past perfect. Example, he has finished his work in present simple. Change into the past perfect. He had finished his work. Has in present simple and had in past perfect. Past perfect stay in past perfect. Example, he had taken my food in past perfect. Stay in past perfect. He had taken my. These are the tenses that change into from the direct speech into the indirect speech. Important thing to remember is that if the sentence to be reported is always true, it remains with the same tense as in the original sentence. For example, she says she is in 10th class in the direct speech, and in the indirect speech or reported speech, she says that she is in 10th class.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to
Like, comment,
subscribe.
bye bye.